It's a 2014 Subaru Outback, engineered for the road less traveled. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, garage door transmitter, and H4 engine. Cars Direct explains the all-wheel drive system means you won't get stuck unless the car in front of you does. It has good ground clearance for those farm track moments. Live the life you love and love your Subaru. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.